You have a team of 2, 5, 50 or 100 or 500 or 1000, doesn't matter. But you want to look for a way to connect them, collaborate with them. Maybe you have the team members sitting in the same office or in different offices, in the same cities or different cities, or even different countries. You need a tool and you're looking forward to collaborate with them, and you want to do it for free. So then I got something for you. The Slack is the right application for you to use it. But in this video, I'm not going to just go through some boring features of Slack, but I'm going to give you actually 7 ways to successfully you can implement Slack to make your any team size 2, 5, 500 or 1000. You will be able to make the best out of them by using these 7 tips plus 1 extra bonus. So yes, stick until the end. The bonus I will provide at the last. So I'm going to come up with 7 tips to make the best collaboration between the team by using Slack for free with 1 extra bonuses, which is also very powerful. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. First thing first, you have to get the installation right. So step number 1, you need to get the installation right. To get the installation of this one is slack.com. So this has an app, also have a web browser. You can use this applications in the browser, which is called slack.com, or even you can go to the Play Store and download it in Android phone, or even you can go to your iOS app and you can get it set up too. But however, you can actually download Slack on your Mac or even PC too and get the desktop application installed as well too. So one thing and more funny thing and more exciting thing is this one. You don't even need to register for a profile. You can use your Google profile to just simply sign in to your Slack profile. So all you need to do, just click here, sign in, and then you do the Google authentication and you're in. So when you are in already in the Slack, so then you will be creating a URL. So for me, for my organization, I'm already using from my Slack. So I have a URL called vshrslack.com. So when I go to the URL, my workstation will be loading here right now. So here, so now I'm opening up in here already. I can see now all the conversations happening. So what I need to do to add someone is very simple. All I need to do is just add, and then find the name or email address, and then you can just add. If you are an admin of the workspace, then you will be able to add directly. But if you're not an admin, then you can still add, but it will send a notification to your admin to accept your invitations, and then that person will receive a notification. If you are being invited in a Slack invitations, then you will receiving a similar kind of email in your phone like this, or even you are opening your Gmail or any kind of even web browser, it will be look like this. You come to the Google Play, you search Slack, you find this app, and then you install it in your phone. And then, if you already become a member of VSHR, you have already received an email like this. You just press join now, and then you open, then it will pop up. Open by Slack application. And then if you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. I would love to answer your questions. If you are an expert of team collaborations, come over and comment as well too, or share your tips. I would love to interact with you too. So what are you waiting for? Come on, let's go ahead, build a collaboration by using my 7 tips and 1 bonuses by using the Slack app and become successful. And I'm looking forward to give you my biggest clap sitting here. Thank you.